Hi, and thanks for tuning in to today's Feature Friday. Today, I've got an excellent example from food retailer Co-op Food. So Co-op send a regular recipe update email to their customers, and to add a little fun twist and some automation in there to be more efficient so that they don't have to build out the recipe content every time they send this email, they've used our automation and day parting technology to display recipes that are the latest pulled from their website, but also that change with the time of day. So in the morning, you see breakfast recipes, at lunchtime, lunch recipes, and at dinner time, you see dinner recipes. So if I jump in and show you this email, you've got a taste of what's to come, and then we scroll down and we've got this delicious recipe section here. What I really like here is that they call out the fact that these recipes are updating. So they actually say that if you open this email later, you'll see different recipes. And I love that. That is all about changing customers' behavior to come back and keep checking in with emails. It's not a one-time open, it is come back and you're going to see fresh new content that's super relevant to you. So I really love that. And then looking at these recipes here, these are pulled directly from Co-op's website. So this comes from their breakfast page of breakfast recipes. It's the latest recipe, and you can see we've got the image, we've also got the cook time, the recipe title, and we've also got some of these dynamic roundels here that say whether the recipe is vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, and so on. So if I just show you their website now, you can see here we've got the two latest recipes here, so breakfast hot cross buns and French toast, that are pulling directly into that email. And you can see we've got the vegetarian label and the time pulling through exactly matched in the email. So really, really great. So what they do is they show this in the morning. At lunchtime, the same technology and the same idea, but we've got lunchtime recipes. So these are the latest recipes added to the lunch page, and then we have the same for dinner. So this is a really great way to keep the content in those templates up to date. So once these tags have been added into these templates, they're always going to update and show the latest recipes. So that minimizes the time that the team need to spend actually building these emails every time they want to send them. All they need to do is pull the template and it's got the latest recipes in there. Co-op have predefined all of the times that they want to show these different recipes and change the content. We've then layered on the day parting technology that says in the morning, we want to go and show these latest breakfast recipes. And at lunchtime, it says show the lunch recipes. And in the evening, the dinner recipes. So I think this is a really great example for food retailers, and it can also be applied to other industries as well. It's just a really great way to be efficient, but also to keep your content up to date, fresh, and kind of running itself. The design also looks great with the dynamic layers, so the vegetarian, the vegan labels, things like that. Just a really innovative way to add some fun, get customers' behaviors changed to coming back to emails and actually engaging and clicking through more. So really love this email. Great effort from the team over at Co-op.